Hello, boys and girls. Hello, Acorns, and all sorts, and anybody else who's watching. It is lovely to see you again today. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. It really is. Aren't we lucky with the weather at the moment? It's so sunny and warm. I got a bit fed up of being inside doing the washing up, so I've come out into our garden. We're so lucky to have a garden, and I'm sitting here enjoying the sunshine. I wonder what you're doing. Maybe you're out playing on your bike, or making a daisy chain, or maybe you're just chatting to your family and enjoying doing not very much at all, just watching the world go by. Well, where I'm sitting, you can see behind me. Well, actually, most of our garden looks a bit like this. We have quite a lot of weeds. And so, where you can see in the background, we have got a bit of the garden that we've decided to let go wild. And there are lots of things like thistles and nettles in that bit. And they have a very special job to do. I wonder if you can think what that might be. I wonder if we need a little bit of help to explore that. Somebody's coming. Look, it's Nibbles. Hello, Nibbles. Oh, he says it's very nice to see you, boys and girls. He's missed you, haven't you, Nibbles? Yes, he has. Oh, Nibbles says there's something very important that he wants to share with you, boys and girls. What's that then, Nibbles? Do you want to go and get it? I wonder what it is. Oh, I can see. Well, I'll show you in a minute. Now then, do you remember? A few Sundays ago, we looked at some tiny caterpillars wiggling around in their pot. And that was at the very start of May. And we were so excited because we hoped we might get some butterflies. And then last Sunday in our church service, we saw that some of them, well, all of them, had become, they'd been submerged in chrysalises. They'd made their own chrysalises. And look, this is what they look like. Because now the butterflies have all come out of their chrysalises and emerged, and they're flapping around in their homes, and it's so exciting. And Nibbles thought you might like to see what the empty chrysalis looks like. Look at that. Can you see, boys and girls? You can see the little gap where the butterfly has emerged, and it's just left like a shell there, ever so thin. But that was such an important thing, keeping the butterflies safe while they did their growing and their changing and their metamorphosis inside there. Oh, those are like treasure. They might only look like little bits of papery stuff, but they're real treasure, those are. I think they might go in my treasure box to keep forever, so I can remember this time of watching the butterflies emerge. Yes, don't you think so, Nibbles? Yeah, well. And I wonder then, what do you think might be the job for those weeds behind us? What do you think? What do you think, Nibbles? Oh, that's right, Nibbles. Nibbles says thistles and nettles are very, very good food for caterpillars, especially for the caterpillars that grow into the butterflies that we've got. They're called painted ladies, and they love to munch thistles and nettles. So that's really good that we've got some in our garden, because maybe our butterflies might lay some eggs there. What do you think, Nibbles? Oh, that would be exciting, wouldn't it? Now, would you like to see our butterflies? Because now we don't just have 3 like we had the other day. We've actually got 5. Shall we show them to you? They're getting ready to go. They're fluttering around and they look so beautiful. We'll lift them up, won't we, Nibbles? Look, here they come. Now then, can you see them in their butterfly house? In their butterfly garden? Now then, see lovely colours and they're flying around, and that means that they're ready to go free. They really are. They're a lovely orange-black colour, and some of them are on the fruit at the bottom because they like to drink the nectar from the fruit and from flowers, and that's where they get their goodness from. And we've got 5 of them. These ones here are just resting themselves. And look there, oh, it's opening its wings. I think they're practicing for when they get set free. And they go flying away on the breeze. I wonder where they'll go. I wonder if they will lay eggs in our garden. That would be lovely, wouldn't it? Look at it, it's all ready. Now then, Nibbles was telling me a song earlier, and I thought you might like to hear it. I thought I'd share it with you. It's all about caterpillars and butterflies and how those caterpillars become them. Shall we sing it to them, Nibbles? Yeah, you ready? Fuzzy Wuzzy Caterpillar creeps along, creeps along, creeps along. Fuzzy Wuzzy Caterpillar creeps along, off to see the world. Fuzzy Wuzzy Caterpillar goes to sleep, goes to sleep, goes to sleep. Fuzzy Wuzzy Caterpillar goes to sleep in his own cocoon. Someday you will be a pretty butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. Someday you will be a pretty butterfly, off to see the world. I love that song. Maybe you can go and sing it to your mummies and daddies and help them along their way through the day. I'm sure it will really cheer them up. So let me show you our butterflies one more time. Shall we get them, Nibbles? And you can have a look at their beautiful colours. And then I'll be back in a little while to read you a story all about the hungry caterpillar. There we are. Look at those beautiful butterflies. Can you see them? There they are. Ready to go. Bye for now.